Have you been anticipating the upcoming major Tesla news? Your wait is now ended. This information and insider view of Tesla's master plan Part 3 are revealed by this leak. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, provided details on this strategy during a recent company-wide gathering with employees. The first and second installments of Musk's semester plan for Tesla have been important works of literature within the company, establishing the foundation for its success in many ways. Musk has claimed to be working on a third master plan for Tesla 6 years after Part 2. Hello everybody and welcome back to the Tesla stock page. Elon Musk has recently revealed Tesla's next plan, which entails entering the lithium refining industry. Tesla has continuously searched for any beneficial investment that may increase its revenue and profit margins. As lithium is a vital component of the batteries used in EVs, Musk claims that this might have a significant strategic influence on the business. With this new endeavor, Tesla might increase its market dominance. Join and enable alerts. Well, without further ado, let's get started keeping you informed of what Tesla is doing. Musk recently revealed that Tesla is preparing to make more information about the third master plan public. In a meeting with the entire firm, he said this. According to him, the third component of the master plan is all about obtaining a very huge scale in order to change the planet's whole energy and transportation infrastructure. Working backwards from, say, 300 tons of installed capacity in vehicles and stationary battery packs, we must determine the real tonnage. Then, we must determine how to reach that tonnage from a mining and refining standpoint while simultaneously doing so in a sustainable manner. The interesting part is that according to a leaked report, Tesla has connections to mining and refining companies. These transactions may be included in Musk's previously disclosed transactions. If Tesla has a strong hold on battery supply, it will not only be a significant milestone for the car maker, but also for its investors as well. Tesla's grand design. Tesla intends to build a lithium refinery on the Texas Gulf Coast, which would help the company's efforts to produce batteries and broaden its presence in the region. The electric vehicle manufacturer has informed authorities that it is thinking of building a battery-grade lithium hydroxide refining facility in Nueces County in a recently publicized tax credit application submitted with the Texas Comptroller's Office. According to Tesla, it was acclaimed as one of the first of its kind in North America. The lithium hydroxide would be packaged and transported by truck and rail to various Tesla battery manufacturing sites, supporting the necessary supply chain for large-scale and electric vehicle batteries, according to Tesla's statement to the state if the facility is built. Although the automaker did reveal that commercial production wouldn't begin until the fourth quarter of 2024, construction on the facility may start as early as the fourth quarter of 2022, according to Tesla's statement to the state. The facility may be situated anywhere with access to the Gulf Coast shipping lanes. Additionally, Tesla stated it will adopt a new procedure designed to consume less harmful reagents that produce usable byproducts as opposed to the standard process. Musk has spent a significant portion of the previous year promoting the rapid growth of the lithium mining sector in North America. The world's largest manufacturer of lithium, Ives, plans to build a new processing facility on the southeast coast of the U.S., and China currently controls more than half of the world's capacity for producing and processing raw materials derived from mines as well as turning brains. Numerous initiatives are being worked on to build similar facilities in other countries, including Germany and Australia, which started operating its first refinery earlier this year. Lithium mining operations will soon be present at the Texas facility. The Tesla CEO has opened a facility in Boca Chica, Texas, as well as a sizable rocket development and construction project, in addition to the new vehicle factory in Austin that started production this year. Although it's unclear what's happening with the projects right now, the Boring Company is actively pursuing a number of projects across the state in addition to tunneling. Prior to Austin manufacturing, Tesla asked for authorization to produce identical battery materials nearby. What does this signify for Tesla's investors and other EV manufacturers? Watch to find out more. Musk reportedly advised company owners to get into the lithium refining industry on Tesla's second quarter earnings call in July, saying that although mining is relatively simple, refining is quite difficult. He also disclosed that there was a good chance that the venture would make huge profits and that investors couldn't lose because it was supposed to print money. You compare the potential profitability of the company to the significant profit margins frequently achieved in the software industry. Tesla's project proposal comes at a time when lithium prices are surging due to increasing demand and the rising cost of components used to make electric batteries. The cost of a new vehicle might increase by nearly $1,000 as a result of these price fluctuations, according to some estimates. Benchmark Mineral Intelligence projects that the price of lithium has jumped by almost 120% this year. In a recent tweet, Musk criticized the rising costs, calling them insane levels, and he added that Tesla might actually be forced to enter the mining and refining industry directly if costs don't go down. Despite this, profit margins and sales of electric vehicles have significantly decreased from their March peak as a result of the pressure from rising raw material prices. EV demand is still high. The income of merchant refiners has increased over the past year and may do so in the years to come as a result of the increased demand. The Lithium Triangle, a South American region that includes Chile, the two countries with the biggest lithium deposits are Bolivia and Argentina. According to current geological studies, the 2021 U.S. research calculates that these three countries are home to around 58% of the world's lithium resources and mineral commodities. According to the Internal Energy Agency, China will dominate the industry in 2021 with a share of around 75% of the global lithium output. If China does continue to produce and build its own refining facilities in North America, further expanding the company's income and profit base, it might threaten China's dominance. Of course, Tesla is not the only business that places a high priority on access to lithium-ion battery resources. As legacy automakers attempt to enter the EV market, which Tesla has dominated for more than 10 years, this has been a primary goal for the sector. In July, Ford signed a number of contracts to buy the raw materials for its batteries in order to meet its goal of producing 2 million EVs annually by the end of 2026. The majority of these agreements are with Chinese and Korean companies, including one significant one with Amperex Technology Limited, the biggest manufacturer of battery packs in the world today. A week later, GM swiftly adopted the same strategy by reaching numerous agreements with its own suppliers. Additional than the decrease in production costs, there are a number of additional factors that these other AV companies are aiming to achieve in order to qualify for tax advantages. One of the requirements for electric vehicle manufacturers is that by 2024, at least 40 of the minerals used in EV batteries must be acquired or produced locally. Similar to this, the U.S. is likely to collaborate with any EV company that can control the nation's lithium production and may even extend an offer of free trade agreement. Every EV manufacturer will be interested in this as the United States isn't one of these big raw material suppliers. For batteries highlights the fact that, despite some minor mining activity, the country lacks a domestic supply chain for the battery materials and components that the biggest automakers in the world are progressively requesting. The current administration announced investments in lithium-ion battery manufacturing, processing, and recycling on American soil, totaling up to approximately $3.2 billion in May. Although several other EV makers are already moving to secure access to lithium, there is a high probability that things will change. This is because Tesla is considering whether to participate in the refinery. Tesla can also take advantage of subsidies worth billions of dollars included in the newly passed Inflation Reduction Act for EV enterprises. If Tesla succeeds in establishing itself as the market leader in lithium production without the help of any other major companies, this will not only provide a financial boost to the sector as a whole. How do you feel about Tesla's grand scheme? Do you believe it will be able to effectively produce lithium for its batteries domestically? Let us know in the comments section, and if you're curious in what Tesla has been up to lately, click on the next video to play on your screen. Hello there.